In this video, I will show you how to turn on hardware acceleration, GPU scheduling in Windows 11. But before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open settings on your device. So make sure to click on WinI to open that. And then from here, go ahead and head over into the system settings. So under the system settings, you'll be able to find the display settings. So on the display settings, go ahead and scroll down into this page and you'll be able to find the graphics settings. So you just need to scroll down this display page and then at the bottom you'll find graphics settings. So click on graphics settings. And then from here, go ahead and enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So you'll find it at the top of graphics settings. So this will allow you to reduce latency and improve performance. You'll need to restart your PC to have your changes take effect. And that is how you can turn on hardware acceleration GPU scheduling in Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources to share with our viewers.